Hello, and welcome back to our final lesson in Module 1. So far, we've learned how to start a presentation. But to work on it efficiently, you need to be able to look at it in different ways. Think of it like building a model car. Sometimes you need to be up close, working on a tiny detail like a side mirror. Other times, you need to step back to see the whole car and make sure the wheels are in the right place. PowerPoint has different views that let you do the same thing. Mastering these views will make you faster and more organized. The three fundamental views we'll focus on today are normal view, slide sorter view, and reading view. View 1, normal view, your main workshop. Let's start with the one you're already familiar with. When you create a presentation, PowerPoint opens in normal view. This is your main workshop. It's where you'll spend most of your time doing the detailed work, writing text, inserting pictures, and formatting your content. Normal view is made up of three key areas. 1. The main slide pane. This large area in the center is where you edit your current slide. 2. The thumbnails pane. This is the column on the left that shows you small pictures or thumbnails of all your slides. You can click on any thumbnail to jump directly to that slide. 3. The notes pane. This box at the very bottom is where you type your speaker notes, which we'll talk more about later. Normal view is designed for focusing on one slide at a time while still seeing where you are in the overall presentation.
Let's do a quick activity. Open the presentation you created in our last lesson. 1. Make sure you are in normal view. 2. Click on your title slide. 3. In the main title, I want you to change one word. For example, if it says monthly update, change it to monthly review. 4. Now, make your name in the subtitle bold. See how easy it is to make detailed changes? That is the power of normal view. It's your go-to for all content editing.
View 2, slide sorter view, the big picture. Great. Now, imagine you've created 10 slides, but you realize the story doesn't flow correctly. Your conclusion slide is stuck somewhere in the middle. Trying to fix this in normal view by dragging slides up and down that tiny thumbnails pane can be clumsy. This is where slide sorter view comes in. It gives you a bird's eye view of your entire presentation. To get there, click on the View tab in the ribbon and then select Slide Sorter. Instantly, your screen fills with thumbnails of all your slides, arranged in order, like index cards on a giant table. You can't edit the text or pictures on the slides from here, but you can do something very important. You can change their order. Simply click and hold on any slide, drag it to a new position, and let go. It's that easy. This view is essential for organizing your presentation structure and flow.
Let's try it. 1. In your presentation, add a few blank slides so you have at least 4 in total. 2. Switch to slide sorter view. 3. Now, imagine your third slide should actually be your second slide. Click on the third slide and drag it between slides 1 and 2. 4. Next, move your last slide to the very beginning. Notice how you can quickly restructure your entire presentation. This is a crucial skill for organizing your thoughts and ensuring your story makes sense. When you're done, just double-click any slide to return to normal view.
View 3, reading view, the quick and clean review. Okay, so you've edited your content in normal view and organized your flow in slide sorter view. Now you just want to review your work without all the distracting editing tools on the screen. You could start the formal slideshow, but there's a quicker, more informal option called Reading View. You can find Reading View on the View tab as well. When you click it, the presentation fills most of the screen, but you still have access to the PowerPoint window controls and your computer's taskbar. It's perfect for clicking through your slides to check for mistakes or to show your work to a colleague sitting next to you without the formality of a full-screen presentation. Quick tip: the status bar. For a real productivity boost, you don't always have to go to the View tab. Look at the status bar at the very bottom right of your PowerPoint window. You'll see small icons for Normal, Slide Sorter, Reading View, and Slideshow. Clicking these icons is the fastest way to switch between views, a technique you'll often see professionals use. Excellent work! Let's quickly summarize our 3 main views. You use Normal View when you are the creator, working on the details of a single slide. You use Slide Sorter View when you are the architect, organizing the overall structure and flow of your presentation. And you use Reading View when you are the reviewer, doing a quick check of your work. Understanding which view to use for which task is fundamental to mastering PowerPoint. This lesson concludes our first module. You now have a solid foundation for how PowerPoint works. In Module 2, we'll start building on that foundation by adding and structuring the content within your slides. I'll see you there.